Alright. Ang una nating titikman ay itong plato na to. Okay. Ay! Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here you go. So we will give you the food, okay? You will, syempre, we will help you taste it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Isa lang. Okay, that is the first item. Okay, madam? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ano po yun?
Pure Foods Fiesta Ham.
Pure Foods Fiesta Ham. Okay, I will just confirm because I have a list pero the sunod-sunod, I am not completely sure. So that is her first guess. Pure Foods Fiesta Ham. Maybe we'll note it down first. Okay? Alright, next, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Virginia.
Okay.
Virginia.
Next guess is, what is it?
Parang ito yung Pure Foods. Parang yung una CDO.
Okay. So, teka lang. Hold on. Give me a sec. Alright. So, final answer, yung hula mo sa second, ano yun?
Pure Foods po, yung una yung CDO.
Sure ka na? Promise? Sure ka na talaga? Promise, promise?
Yes po.
Binibigyan kita ng pagkakataong magbago ang isip mo. Sure ka na?
Wag mo. Sure na po.
Sure na? Dun sa una mong sagot.
Opo.
So, Pure Foods muna, tapos CDO.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Let's go to our last.
Sweep.
Alright, here we go. Your last guess for the third half.
Kenny.
Kingsway.
Are you sure?
Ano ba yung choice mo?
Are you sure? Ano yung guess mo?
King Soup?
Alright. That is her guess. So we jotted everything down, lahat ng guess niya. So una, sabi niya yun ay Pure Foods, CDO, and then Kingsway. And then we will now proceed to the cheeses. Alright, this is gonna be a little tricky. And honestly, mahirap din yung hams ha, because of course they're all very, very good. Diba? Okay. Let's taste the first kind of cheese. This is all from Embor. Okay, Miss May? Alright, what do we think?
Mozzarella
Ano yung
cheese.
choices mo?
Can we give them the full choices? Alright, the choices are cheddar, Swiss, or Gouda.
Sweet.
Swiss?
Sweet.
Alright, her guess is Swiss. Next one, mahirap to talaga. Promise. Mahirap talaga to. Yung pa-premyo natin dito, matutuwa talaga sila. Alright, second cheese. Here we go. But you know what? I think I can guess by smelling. Wow, yabang. Alright, Mas May, ano yun?
Cheddar?
Okay, cheddar. So, una niya Swiss, sinunod niya si cheddar. Next one, and last but not the least, are the cheeses. Okay. May, ano po yun?
Buddha po.
So, the last item is Gouda. So, inuna niya si Swiss, cheddar, tsaka si Gouda. Alright? So, let's proceed to the drinks. Okay. Here we go. First drink. Ready ka na. Sip lang ha. Sip lang. Walang straw. There you go. A little sip.
Nabelino.
Okay. Ready? What is it? Coke? Coke. Here we go. Okay, let me see. Okay, next drink. Okay, can I have your hand? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Second drink. We have 4 drinks in total. Oh, what is it?
Parang tandoy ice.
Yun. Tandoy ice. Ha? Parang, sabi niya,
Ito po yung iniinom ko, tandoy ice.
memorize na niya. Okay, next drink. Third. Okay, can I have your hand, please? There you go. Alam din natin to. What is it?
Nobelino.
Novellino. And then last but not the least,
Soju.
Color white.
Soju.
Hindi ko siya mag-guess mo. Soju.
Ano to? Nakikita.
okay, so soju, basically. All right, let's count her points. Siyempre, tanggalin na natin ang blindfold ni Miss May. Palakpakan naman natin si Miss May. Wow, what a task. Okay, let's count the points. And she got a total of 6 correct guesses. Palakpakan, thank you so much. Here you go. Okay, punta naman tayo kay Paul. Paul, maraming salamat para sa iyong patience. Let us have our prod team help us help Paul as well. Ready ka na, Paul? All you have to do is beat 6 points to win the game. Okay. Let's have him taste the first ham. Go. Wow. And your guess is Pure Foods. Okay, next. Here we go. CDO down. Next. Last ham. Virginia. Okay, let's proceed to the cheeses. Your choices are cheddar, Swiss, or Gouda. 3, 2, 1, go.
Cheddar.
Cheddar. Okay, next. Next cheese. Go, Paul. Swiss daw, Swiss. And last one.
Gouda.
Gouda. All right, let's proceed to the drink. Ayan. First drink. Coke.
Coke.
Oh, correct. Okay, next. Parang memorize natin.
Tandoy ice.
On. Okay, next. Next drink.
Nobelino.
Novellino. And last but not the least.
Soju.
Soju. All right, let's count the points. Pwede mo nang tanggalin ang iyong blindfold. And Paul got 10 correct answers. Maraming salamat and congratulations to our winner, Paul. And of course, Miss May, please join us again. Meron ka ring consolation prize, of course. Paul, dito tayo sa gitna. Miss May, would you like to join Paul here?
Sa alak na, sa ano, sakto yung sa alak.
Let's take a photo.